ever wondered what keeps the wheels of the industry turning? The answer might surprise you. It's not often electricity, but compressed air, the invisible force that powers a technology called pneumatics. Pneumatics uses compressed air to create force and motion. Think about a bicycle pump. You compress air and then release it to inflate the tire. In industry, we use compressors to create a constant supply of compressed air, which is then channeled through tubes and valves to power actuators like cylinders. So why choose pneumatics over other technologies? Here are the key advantages. Simplicity. Pneumatic systems are relatively simple to design, install, and maintain. Think fewer wires and complex controls. Reliability. Air is readily available and doesn't pose a fire hazard, making pneumatics ideal for harsh environments. Safety. In case of a leak, air simply escapes, unlike electricity, which can cause shocks or sparks. Versatility. From powering robots to operating assembly lines and packaging machines, pneumatics can handle a wider range of tasks. Let's see pneumatics in action. In the past, car assembly lines relied heavily on human labor. Today, pneumatic tools like riveters and screwdrivers assist workers, making the process faster and more ergonomic. In food processing, pneumatic systems ensure precise movements. They control valves that regulate the flow of materials and robotic arms for sorting and packaging delicate items. As industries move to greater automation, pneumatics will continue to play a crucial role. With the advancements in control systems and sensor technology, they'll be more effective and efficient and intelligent. The power of air is a driving force in industry. If you're curious about pneumatics and its potential applications, consult with us, do research online, or join us. And as always, thank you for watching.